Hey everyone, my name is Tom Numa, and I'm a student at Oregon State University. And my submission to the 2024 AfroTech AI Hackathon is Sickle Sense, an all-in-one platform for helping people take charge of their sickle cell disease. First things first, we can log in with GitHub. And I can authorize using their OAuth flow. Then I'm able to select my country. I'm in the United States. And then Oregon, because that's where I'm located. Also my date of birth, July 1st, 2002, which is a Monday. All this data that we collect at the beginning point of the application flow is just to power the AI tools. And then data consent, of course. And it prepares the experience for us. I seeded this account with test data so that, of course, we can do a valid demonstration. Here's the little onboarding flow showing you the different features of the application, at least in the dashboard. One unique trait of Sickle Sense is that it actually integrates perfectly with the Fitbit wearable device, meaning that you can connect to it and then start subscribing to data from that device directly. So here I'm just going to preview some of the features. Here's the community forum. And then here I'm actually able to create another test, or I'm actually able to create posts and interact with the global sickle cell community. Me just typing what I'm saying. And of course I can reply to the post, I can create new posts, and I can also search posts. So if I type like SST, it like of course searches for the post. And then, but like if I add set, if I add SST, and then I'm also able to chat with the AI chatbot. It's generating actually preset questions from the AI. Shout out to Vercel. And then I can ask those. Additionally, I can create health plans. This is something that is actually pretty cool to develop. Essentially what it does is that it uses all the information generated in the platform and then uses retrieval augmented generation to actually pull the relevant information for this health plan. So for instance, we give it a date. Let's give 30/2024. And then I can select some topics to focus on, pain management and hydration. And then if you read this, you can actually notice that it's using tailored language because it's using data that actually is relevant to the user, the stuff collected from the Fitbit and the stuff they input into the platform. I can also pause plans, then it goes into inactive, etc. The application is fully functional, full stack, everything, of course. And then here I can connect to a Fitbit. Here I can select the Fitbit Sense and then put my application ID. I actually have that. And then, of course, we're able to connect. This is something that really separates Sickle Sense from any other solution I've seen. And then we're actually able to see the data from live in real time from the Fitbit subscription API. And then also the AI, shout out to the OpenAI LLM. Additionally, using semantic search, or not semantic search, using RAG, we're actually able to create curated insights, which you can see. So it's like, oh, we know that your heart rate's been stable, and we can see that stable here. Additionally, here's the medication tracker, so I can put like a medication I take, folic acid. I take about a certain dose, then daily, and then the time I usually take it at, let's say 2 or 1 p.m. for now. This is all just like test inputs, of course. Then I can enable reminders, which actually get triggered to my SMS using Twilio. And then I could be daily, weekly, but I'm going to disable reminders so I don't get a message. And I can also delete those. I can actually create multiple reminders and then like some new, let's just put like a dummy one here, 2 and then PM. What I can actually do is like click this reorder and then reorder them depending on the importancy, and then to see that it syncs over there too. So if I reorder them again, that's really nice to see. And then I can actually log which ones I've taken on which day, and then we'll see that's gonna save. Sorry, I have like a debouncing so that you can't just like keep spamming them. And then this is actually like by the week, so I can select a different week, a month, or whatever. And additionally, I can add my appointments. So for instance, like if I'm forgetting possibly, oh, I have an appointment with my doctor for a blood transfusion, I can add that here. This is quite long to implement or insert, so I'll just say that. And then here I have the health metrics, which is actually pulled, of course, from the Fitbit wearable devices. And then here I have a symptom tracker where I can say like, oh, I have a headache. And then what this does is actually it helps every part of the platform make more intelligent decisions. All of this data that we collect, which is quite cumbersome because it's manual, is used by the AI services to make a personalized profile for the user. Additionally, with the wearable device metrics, what we're able to do is have proactive real-time data as well. So we have both quantitative and qualitative data. And then here I have all the data about my account, etc. And yeah, that is Sickle Sense. Thank you for listening to my demonstration. And yeah, this was really fun to build.